See, I, I know deal with you.
Nigerian TikToker Bib Amzat Adelaja, also known as Peller, shared an emotional story about his life in a recent live video. At just 19 years old, Peller said he is the main person taking care of his family, even though he is not the oldest child. During a TikTok live session with Sandra Benede, when Sandra asked what was wrong, he said he does not like visiting his family because of the pressure he feels. He explained that he sends them things and checks on them, but does not enjoy being around them anymore. Peller shared that the responsibilities are too much for someone his age. He said he has even thought about running away to another country to escape the stress. He also said he does not miss his family anymore. The only person he says he would miss is his girlfriend, Jarvis.
See, I know deal with you.
Is it because of the edits and this thing will happen that make you not deal with you, or get something else on your body?
No, since, let me tell you something. If something you do me, I would notice. Since I don't deal with you. I swear to God. Even this day where I go sleep, I sleep go for my car till second day. I don't know what happened. I just sleep for my car. No good. I don't like what I face in this young age. I never even went out 20 years. Don't face all this. No good, no good. Even if I say I stop up, I'm not supposed to face all this thing for this time.
Yeah, calm down. Okay. No maintenance. Maintenance, you don't need to talk out for it. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. Have you seen your mom? When last you see your mom? When last I see your mommy?
I didn't call her video call. I call her video call yesterday.
Every day. You always see her for house. You always see her for
before.
Okay, she didn't far from you.
Yes, now.
How long? Maybe you go play with her small.
No, I don't even like to see my family again.
Why?
Yes, I just like to send them things to make sure say that them things they do okay. I don't like to see them again because my mentality now it don't pass to the stay with my.
No, there's nothing like not to see.
Let me tell you something. My thinking now it don't pass their own thinking. I come like say now me their father and their mother. I swear. What's in my
detail? So bad. Now you be the senior. Now you be the eldest.
No, I get that, brother. But what's me?
Now you God, Peller. You know me. Now you God bless. So it does not matter.
Now that person God bless. Now he will later come turn to their parents. I don't turn to. I know the rest.
And it's okay. May God just bless you more. Now your family.
No, hear me.
Okay.
If not say things they go define person, or I would just run come up go like that America, put the stay for one person side.
You go miss them more.
Go offline, go
like
of them. I won't do a take.
Peller, let me tell you something.
I don't think they would be worried of somebody.
For life, we always get one point like say we wish say some kind of things that happen. But when you can't get that thing, you go miss the things you wish you were having before. When I did like this, my papa and mama now, they don't think I miss my family. Family is always family. You go miss them. You go miss your mom. You go miss your sister.
Let me tell you something. Listen to me, Sarah Beneda. I swear to all my life. I don't miss my mommy. I don't miss my daddy. I don't miss anybody. Before, if my mom don't carry me travel, go somewhere, say you may come next week, I would cry, I would wonder, but now I know they miss anybody. The only person where I feel miss na Jarvis. I swear to Almighty God. People now go to tell I did call them, I did follow them, but I know they meet them.
Many people who watched the video had different opinions. Some supported Peller and said they understood how hard it is to carry so much responsibility at a young age. Others advised him not to forget the importance of family. Some felt that Peller is simply overwhelmed and needs rest and support. But what's your opinion regarding Peller's stance on Bill and family? Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.